Welcome back to Product Zone. We're gonna unbox and put this to the test. This is a 15-piece blender slash grinder. Really good for small countertop space, and also it's a budget price. Outstanding review on Amazon. This thing here is a 6-blade. It's 900 watt. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check in comment section for price and details. That's everything that's in the box. That's 3 different sizes of cup, 2 blades, every single thing. Wow, let's see. This is how everything is looking. First of all, it's a really nice system. It got suction cup at the bottom so it does not move, which is really good. And we have 1 cup right here with a handle. It also tells you the max measurement right here where not to pass. We have 2 different blades. You can see this is like a grinder blade, and this is a smoothie blade, which you have about 6 different blade right here, which is incredible. We have about 4 different type of covered lid, and we have rubbers to secure the leak. This is our small one for grinding. That's pretty cool. We also have another large cup for smoothie and another large one right here. Really good quality. BPA-free, and we're gonna plug this in and get our smoothie stuff ready. Now I have a bowl here with some smoothies and ready to put this in. Let's see. So right here I filled up a bunch of strawberry, blueberry, bananas, and spinach and stuff in there, and you could see I did not pass the max, but we didn't go for the bigger cup. And all you gotta do, we're gonna just put this on like here. All right, so we got it plugged in. All we're gonna do is this way. Look at everything mixed right there. We're gonna stop it within 30 seconds. We're stopping it. We're gonna check it out. Wow, look at that. Mix really well. I'm gonna get my smoothie spoon. Check this out. See that? Look at that. All liquid. No clumps up or chunks or anything. It does really a nice job. Normally with my older smoothie blender, you will taste and you will feel like some like clumps and like clumpy. This is, you could see, liquid blend fast. Within 30 seconds, let's say 45 seconds. Within 45 seconds, it was done. And that was like strawberries, bananas, apple, and spinach and stuff like that. And coming up for the holiday, this is making it the perfect Christmas gift, birthday gift, holiday gift. This I highly recommend right here on Product Zone. Thumbs up. If it was not a good product, I will be honest to you guys and let you know it's cheesy or it's no good, but it's overall a good quality. For the price, I am actually impressed. It does really good. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, most of my time I donate my products and I give them away if companies send it to me. Well, this one here, I might have to keep for myself because I'm a smoothie guy, and I have my own backyard garden and I grow a lot of stuff, and smoothie has been a big part of my diet, and smoothie has been helping me out losing weight, getting more energy, and staying healthy overall. I'm telling you, vegetable smoothie is the way to go. No matter what people are saying, I'm telling you from experience, it's changed my life, smoothies. So check in the description box for price and details, and I might leave you guys a discount code. I got to double check on that, so don't forget to check in the description. Also, if you're new, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos, honest product review. And I have tons of videos coming up here, so you guys could always check in the description box and subscribe by clicking the bell icon. Every time I upload a video, you guys will get it right away. All right, so thank you so much and happy holiday from Product Zone.